So in the previous videos, we have already covered introduction, how to download GNS3 1.3.13 edition, how to install GNS3, how to add Cisco router, how to add Cisco L3 switch and configuration, and secure CRT. Secure CRT means one type of terminal. Okay. So today's topic is how to create a basic router configuration lab. Okay. But at first, you should know the minimum requirement of GNS3. So go to GNS3 official website, GNS3. Supported operating system is Windows 7, 8, 10 server. Okay. And I am using Windows 11 Enterprise. We are ready to go or practical. So at first, this is your GNS3 icon on desktop. This is the GNS3 icon, right? Okay. So GNS3 open, and do you want to save? No. Enlarge the screen. Here, this is the router 3725 Ethernet switch 1 and 2, and we need two computer 1, 2. Okay. Now connection. Here is the option. Connection. Here is the option. Okay. So just click on here. Router 1 first Ethernet 00 to switch Ethernet 1. Similarly, first Ethernet 01 to switch to Ethernet 1. Switch to our end devices called computer or laptop. Similarly, switch to computer. Okay. Okay. Now set the IP address. So in the left side, I am using 192.168.10.1/24. So, and the right side 192.168.20.1/24. So click on this option, hide and inhibit, this option. So just click on this option. So first Ethernet 00, the IP address must be 192.168.10.1, and in the another side, first Ethernet 01, the IP address must be 192.168.20.1. Okay. So in the computer 192.168.10.10/24, and the gateway means 192.168.10.1. This is the full address. So 192.168.10.10 is the IP address of this PC, but 192.168.10.1 is the gateway of this PC. Without gateway, you cannot communicate to another network. Okay. And the right side, same, duplicate, right click, duplicate 20.10, and the gateway should be 20.1. Okay. So again, the IP address first Ethernet 00, the router first Ethernet 00 IP address should be 192.168.10.1, first Ethernet 01 20.1, and in the left side computer IP address should be 192.168.10.10, or you can use any IP address like 192.168, sorry, 192.168.10.30 can use. Okay, so now it's time to configure IP address. At first, you start the devices. Here is the option start. This option, green, this option. So start the devices. Start. Okay. So now double click on router 1. It is booting. Okay. So the host name is router 1 already set. Show IP interface brief. You can see first Ethernet 00 and first Ethernet 01, right? So first Ethernet 00, first Ethernet 01, IP address unassigned, status OK, administratively down. Router every interface by default administratively down. You manually up the interface. Okay, so now what should I do? Go to this is your privilege mode. Configure terminal. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.10.1 space 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. You can see the first Ethernet 00 change state to up. Okay. For verification, do show IP interface with first Ethernet 00, first Ethernet 00 status OK, manually off. Similarly, exit interface fast Ethernet 0/1, IP address 192.168.20.1 space 255.255.255.255.0. No shutdown. For verification, show IP interface brief. Notice here, first Ethernet 00, 192.168.10.1, this is the IP address, and 01, that is called first Ethernet 01, the IP address is 192.168.20.1, manually up. Another command is show IP. So the network at router is intelligent devices, right? Router find the network address from the IP address. So in the left side, the network is 192.168.10.0 network. In the right side, the network is 192.168.20.0 network. Okay. C means connected. C means connected. Router to directly connected. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to assign IP address on PC. Double click on PC1. IP 192.168.10.10 space /24 space, and the gateway is the IP address of first Ethernet 00. It's called 10.1. So 192.168.10.1, checking duplicate address. For verification, show IP. Okay. So show IP command is most important on GNS3. ipconfig command does not support on GNS3. You can verify IP IPconfig ipconfig space slash all. No. Command is show IP. Okay. So the IP address is 192.168.10.10 and the gateway is 10.1. Okay. This is not mandatory for our practical. Okay. So next is PC2. Double click on PC2. IP address 192.168.20.10 space slash 24 192.168.20.1. Show IP. Okay, the IP address is 20.10 and the gateway is 192.168.20.1. Now I am in PC2. So ping 192.168.10.10. So first request has been lost for our ARP request purpose. Now it automatically ping. Similarly, from PC1, PC1 to PC2, ping 192.168.20.10 space -t. This pinging. So this is a one type of practical. Okay. If you have any problem, you can contact me via mail. I will reply back as soon as possible. So thank you for watching my video.